Hey guys, it's Abby. Happy Wednesday. What is up? Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. If you're an old subscriber here, you may have noticed that I got new channel art, and if you're a new subscriber here, maybe you noticed that too. But my friend Olivia did a new profile picture for me. Her Instagram is designed by Olivia M. I'll leave it linked down below, and she did an amazing job, so I just wanted to give her a shout out. But I'm also excited about today's video because it is a product review, and it's going to be a very chill product review. I'm gonna look like this the entire video, so I apologize. But I'm going to be reviewing the Kiehl'S Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, and I'm so excited about this one. I've tried it out a few times and it is amazing, so I've been wanting to share it with you, but I wanted to really spend some time using it and getting to know it before I shared it on YouTube. But here we are now. It passed my personal little test before it made it onto the screen, so yeah, let's just get right on into it. The mask is super great. So it's a clay mask, and what it's going to do is it's going to pull all of the crap. I don't know if I should say crap on my channel. It's going to pull all of the debris out of your skin and all of the stuff that you don't want in there that's clogging your pores. So it's super fantastic because it's just going to allow your skin to breathe and be clean. The mask is made out of Amazonian white clay, and it says it's sourced from northern Brazil near the mouth of the Amazon River, so that is pretty cool. And I'll show you what the clay looks like. It looks like this, so it's a super cool texture, and what you do is you put it on your skin and you spread it all around and you let it sit for about 10 minutes until it dries, and then you wipe it off with a warm, damp cloth. And it is just going to pull all of the debris, like I said, out of your skin, and it's incredible for this. So instead of just talking about it, I'm going to go ahead and put it on so I'm not boring you guys. I took out my earrings, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply the mask to my face, and I'm going to avoid my eye area but apply it everywhere else. So my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and especially around the sides of my nose because you really want to deep clean out those pores. Like my stash. Okay, so the clay mask is officially dry, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off with a damp washcloth. Okay, so I just removed the mask from my face, and this is what my skin looks like. It just feels super refreshed and clean, and I love just having all of the stuff and gunk pulled out of it. So I really like this mask. You do get 4.2 fluid ounces in this bottle, and it retails for $36, which is pretty good. I've read a lot of reviews, and it says it lasts about 6 months, which in my opinion is quite a long time for a mask. So that's pretty fantastic if you decide to purchase this one. And I also wanted to share with you guys like 3 reasons why I really like clay masks. So the first reason is that it helps to control breakouts before they become a problem. When you're just going about your daily life, you have dirt and grime and probably makeup building up on your skin, and that eventually can turn into a breakout. So when you use a clay mask once to twice a week, what it's doing is it's removing that buildup before it can turn into a problem. So I really like it for that reason. The second reason that I like clay masks is that it helps to control excessive oily skin. So if you're an oily skinned person, this might be really helpful for you because it just helps to maintain and balance your oily skin. It doesn't take away from your hydrated look, because don't get me wrong, I love dewy, hydrated, glowy, oily skin, but I don't want to be excessively oily, so this helps to maintain that. And the third reason that I love clay masks is that it just feels like a spa day, and it's super relaxing and rejuvenating. So I really like to apply it just for self-care in general. It's super fun. So those are the 3 reasons that I like clay mask, and I really recommend this one. I've tried a couple, and this one just seems to work really well, and it's for a great price. If you guys want to see any other reviews on different clay masks, let me know down in the comments below so I can check them out and try them for you guys. But as for right now, in today's video, that is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really, really appreciate it, and feel free to leave a comment down below letting me know what product you want me to review next. As for right now though, I'm actually going to go to bed and just with my nice clean skin. So yeah, good night. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I appreciate it, and feel free to like and subscribe. Okay, bye. There's no more like makeup and crap in it. I shouldn't say crap on my channel. Crap. I'm gonna Google how much it cost.